Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I haven't done a favorites video in a while, and that's because, well, one, I kind of fell off of them at the beginning. Then, then I've been at the house working, so it's kind of hard to have favorites. But this past month, I have had some favorites that I want to kind of talk to you guys about. Not too many. This is going to be it's probably is going to be a very short video. So if you guys want to see all the, let's see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things I'm going to talk about, stay tuned. Alrighty, let's see. Things I've been loving in the month of July. There's a gnat flying around. It's really irking my soul. Sorry. The things I've been digging in July, not very many things. I actually just found into something else that I kind of forgot about. So we're going to start with fashion first. The first thing I'm going to start off is the shirt I'm wearing from the Epilogue.com. Let me try to stand back so you guys can see the shirt a little bit more. This is the Rebirth of Black t-shirt. Let's see, Rebirth of Black Mentality. And it says on the bottom, think differently. This shirt is great. It is made out of some really great cotton. I forgot to tell my size last time I wore it. I'm wearing a size medium. If you guys want to know, if you guys want to have a size comparison to maybe, figure out what size you can order. BlackEpilogue.com was started by a young Black artist here in St. Louis. All the art is original, hand-drawn. All shirts are $24.99. They're all cotton, so they will shrink in the wash, so you may want to watch out for that. Well, shrink in the dryer, really, so think about hang drying it, just selling. That's what I do with mine. But like I said, prices right now are $24.95. I want to say $24.99. These are starter prices. Prices will go up eventually, so you might want to get in on the ground floor while prices are still low. I don't know what the new pricing is going to be, but I do know, hit the table. But I do know prices are going to go up. So you want to get in on some great t-shirts from a great art. Like I said, young Black artist who happens to be my niece. So, of course, I'm going to promote. Link's going to be in the bio down below, in the info down below. So you guys go over, show her some love. I know at least one of my subscribers has purchased a shirt. I'm waiting. I want to hear her feedback. But all of us that have purchased and received our shirts, we all love them. This is the second shirt I've bought. I'm going to buy more, of course. I'm going to buy more. So, please support. You'll love them. Like I said, great quality, very comfy. I could pretty much lounge in this all day and also make a statement too. Okay, we're going to stay in fashion. We're going to go with my Sam Edelman Moxie white sneakers. You guys saw these in my sneaker video, which are these sneakers right here. They're going to blow out. Hopefully they don't. Sorry if they are. These are a size 9 Sam Edelman. I'm sorry, 8.5 actually. Sam Edelman sneaker. I normally wear a 9. In Sam Edelman, I have to size down a half size. I've been told I have narrow feet, which I thought was really funny because I had physical therapy and was told I have flat feet. So I don't know. I might have flat, narrow feet. I don't know. But anyway, these are 8.5. I picked these up on Amazon. If you guys want to know more about these shoes, I'm going to have the link above in the cards of my last sneaker haul of all the sneaker pickups I had during the stay-at-home order here in St. Louis. So, yeah, those shoes pretty reasonably priced. Like I said, link will be below, and they are really absolutely comfortable. If you don't want to spend the $500-600 price tag of the Alexander McQueen sneakers, these are a great dupe. And I haven't tried on the McQueen sneakers. I'm sure they're comfortable, but if you don't want to spend $500-600, get these. They're about 80 bucks. The next and last fashion piece I want to show is my Coach belt bag that I picked up from the CoachOutlet.com. I did not go into the store. I have no desire to go in the store. I picked this up. This is a green and black. It has a zip pocket in the back, which has hand wipes in it. and a bus ticket. Oh no, that was for the train. It's a train ticket. I picked this up. When did I get this? I've had it a while. I think I picked it up in like May. I want to say May or early June because I haven't really been spending money. I want to say April, May I picked this up. Coach Outlet was running like this crazy like 70, 80% off sale. So of course I picked this up and a few other bags. And this bag I've been rocking the most because with everything going on right now, you want to be as hands-free as possible. You want to wear like a belt bag or a backpack, something you don't have to get in and out of. And this actually is a great bag to use. Try to see if you can see inside. It's like a black hole. It's very big. You have all the way over to here. You can put items in, and you also have the zip pocket in the back, like you throw your phone in or receipts and things like that. This was actually in the men's section over at Coach Outlet. The women's belt bags are cute. They're just small. So you can only fit so much in those. I love that too. As you all know, I have a Rexy belt bag I got for Christmas. Video will be above. I actually got that. That was the last bag I got in 2019. So that was in my first and last video. That's it. I was trying to remember which video that's in. This one I picked this up because I wanted to carry a little bit more in it now, also because we have to have hand sanitizer, wipes, things like that. That actually is a perfect thing to have, especially right now. And it goes with a lot of things. Even though it's green, you can still wear it with a lot of stuff. Okay, we're gonna move on to hair, and I only have one hair item because I think I told you guys last week that I've been lazy AF when it comes to my hair, and I really need to stop being so lazy. So the hair product that I'm going to talk about is the Main Choice A-Maz-Zon Hair Day Super Smooth and Extreme Gleam Perfectly Polished Gel. That is this here. You guys saw the video last week, and thank you all for watching that video. I see a lot of you guys watched it. If you guys want to know more about that, the video is going to be above. Sorry, it's this way. Video is going to be above in the cards, so you guys can see how I felt about this gel. Obviously, I must have liked it because you see it in here, and I don't have a whole lot left because I use this for probably like 2-3 months. So, I mean, that tells you. It's a great gel, great hold. You can at least get like two, three-ish days out of it, and you can, and your hair comes out really well, really nice, and I really love it, and I do recommend it, and the link will be below. And the next thing I'm going to talk about is makeup. This is how I'm going to end the video on makeup. And the first thing I'm going to talk about, as I put it back in its box, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss I picked up in the color Saint Tropez, which is this right here. My sister Pam actually told us about this color because my niece Chris wears it. Here it is right here. I will link the video above of when I was wearing it so you can actually see it on my lips if I don't have a picture over here of it. I picked it up during Sephora's VIB along with some Fenty products. As you all know, Fenty came out with cream blushes and bronzers, and I picked up 2 of each. I picked up Honey Glazed and Macchiato of the bronzers, the Cheeks Out bronzers, and I picked up the cream blushes in, let's see, Rose Latte and Petal Pappin'. So I picked up all of these because I wanted to do something different. I want to do cream blushes and some cream bronzers, which I've done liquid bronzers before, and they actually worked pretty good. I've done liquid bronzers and blush before from NARS. This is Honey Glazed right here, which is what? No, I'm not wearing it right now. I wore it 2 weeks, a couple of videos back. I actually wore this one, and what I'm wearing right now is Macchiato, which is this color right here. I actually like them both, and I'm glad. I love the fact that both of these colors work on me, and it's not just like one and done. Thank goodness. Let's see. Here's Petal Poppin'. Open this up really quick. I'm still trying to learn how to maneuver with long nails. And these are actually my nails. This is petal popping right here. Let me see if I can do that so it doesn't blow out. And here is Rose Latte, which is what I'm wearing right now on my face. And Rose Latte, I'm going to tell you something about Rose Latte. That's this right here. Rose Latte actually shows up without makeup. And when I got that and I put it on, I think I was on a FaceTime call with my sisters. And I was like, oh, I'm sold. This works perfectly. So I really love how this works and how they look on me because I have mature skin. So, but like I said, I really like the products, and I can't do nothing but recommend them. If you guys want to see me apply them next week's video, you're gonna see me do this whole face. So you guys will see all these products in that video. And that is it for this video. I just got a phone call and I got to leave. So I'm going to get out of here. If you guys want to know about any of these products, everything is going to be linked below with all the links to Sephora, Coach Outlet. I think the bum bag is not there anymore, but they have other belt bags that are really cool. I happen to just peruse the site and I'm trying to stay off the site. Sneakers, everything will be linked below. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to talk to me in this video below. That is all. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free. I also have a blog called Sneakers and Handbags. Please go over there, pop in, check some of the stuff out, subscribe. I try to put new blogs up every Wednesday. I try. I'm in school, y'all. I'm working. I got things to do. Okay? The PoshMark closet is linked below. New things will be dropping very, 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 like before the end of this month, you're going to have new stuff in there. So you guys, please check it out. Get it out of my house. Please get the stuff out my house. Okay? I need it to be gone. So that is it. I think that's everything. Also, don't forget to check out the blackepilogue.com so you guys can get a new t-shirt. Original black art, black power, black empowerment. Okay, black empowerment. So I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta go. I gotta get out of my Christmas socks. So I'll talk to y'all later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.